Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, shall I say. Just had this delivery. I've got some more Coco coir. This one's from Amazon. So let's get this open, shall we? It's now 1 minute to 10. Temperature is 13.6 inside. I've got two sensors on the outside, 12.5 and 13.1. So one of them's in the shade and one of them's in direct sunlight, which doesn't really matter because it's night time, but let's get this open, shall we? I purchased this, I think there's 8 or 9 litres in each one of these blocks. I think we're going to get into. Hope everybody's keeping okay. I ordered my wood burning stove today, so I am so looking forward to that coming. I cannot wait for that to come. I think it's coming from Poland, so a week or so before it gets here. Ordered it off eBay. It was the cheapest one I could actually afford. Here we go. Like blocks of gold, this stuff. There we go. It is Diffchi Coco bricks. I don't know where it's from. Which country? West Yorkshire. But obviously the cocoa's not from West Yorkshire because we don't grow cocoa. We don't grow coconuts in Yorkshire. Well, not as far as I know anyway. If somebody else tell me any different, feel free, there might be a coconut farm I don't know about somewhere. So we get this one, get these out of the way. Oh man. Right. I'm going to get this one peeled open. I love rehydrating these. So get the plastic open. Get in there, folks. So yeah, all my seedlings are doing really well at the moment. Stuff germinating every day. Every time I come in, there's something different growing, which I absolutely love. I'm going to put my lights on, my LED grow lights, shortly. But I shall get this soaked. I'm just going to put it on time lapse. Let's see how big this actually becomes, shall we, over the next 10 or 20 minutes. I'm not going to break it up like I normally do. So yeah, let's get this on time lapse and see how big this actually becomes. Oh, here we go. That's just about done it, that. So still a little bit, but what I'll do is just get this in here. I don't want to spill this over the edge. I want it to absorb and all stay in here. And I should have got, hopefully, yeah, I should have got after that, hopefully 650 grams up to 8 litres, which is absolutely brilliant. But this is before, and this is after. This is a little bit to soak in, but most of it's gone. It takes roughly 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes at the most, then you can use it. If you want to break it up quicker, you can do that. So yeah, that's my Coco coir blocks, just broken down. Hope you enjoyed watching, folks. Hope you like the videos, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please subscribe and like, it really helps. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, bye.